In this video, I'll show you how to remove the email sign-up form from the Shopify password page. As you can see in this example, by default, Shopify displays the email sign-up form on the password page, but if you're looking to remove it in this video, I'll show you how to do that. And for this particular example, I'm using Dawn theme, but the same process applies for the other Shopify themes. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account. Then left side of the screen, click on the online store. Then look for your active theme, in my case is Dawn. Then select Edit Theme. Once the editor loads, at the very top of the page, click on drop-down menu and then select Password. On the left side of the screen, look for the email sign-up banner section. Let's expand it. And here's the email form block. If you want to completely remove it, you have to click on the trash icon. Alternatively, if you want to hide the block without deleting it, just simply click on the visibility icon. This way it won't be visible to your visitors, but you can always bring it back if you need to. And while I'm here, let me also hide the text and the heading. Once you're done making the change, at top right corner, click on Save. Now let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the password page. And as you can notice, the email sign-up form is now hidden from the password page. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.